How to download Spotify on MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download Spotify on MacBook. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your MacBook. Now, here, if you search for Spotify application, you will not see the official Spotify application anywhere. So, go back and open Google Chrome. If you do not have Google Chrome on a device, go to Safari or some other preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Chrome download. Now, tap on this particular link you see there and then you will see the option for download Chrome. Tap on that and Chrome will be downloaded on your Mac. Now, launch the app. I will simply open Google Chrome since I already have it installed on my Mac. In the search bar, search for Spotify.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Spotify. Here, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and a menu list will appear. You will see the option for cast, save, and share. Place your cursor there and then tap on the Install Spotify option. In the pop-up window that appears, tap on Install and with this, Spotify has been installed on your Mac successfully. You can see I now have the Spotify application on my dock. You can copy it to your desktop if you want, and if not, you can also open the Launchpad and you can see the app there too. So, this is how you can download Spotify on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.